Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This look guys, I must say I haven't loved a look as much as I love this one personally in a very long time. The cool girl makeup look, yes you heard right. It's a perfect no makeup kind of look for winters. You can look like an angel or princess, whatever you call it. So let's just get started. During winter weather, skin tends to get extra dry. So after my usual CTM, I prefer to use this Squalane Oil by Minimalist. It's a beautiful oil. It's provide extra hydration to my skin and I make sure to massage it deeply. Rather than going very heavy with the foundation, I'm just correcting my skin with full cover concealer. This is Too Faced Born This Way concealer. It's my absolute favorite and it's in the shade Vanilla, which is a little lighter to my skin but I make it work. I'm applying it on the dark circles and spot the areas where I need to correct and highlighting as well. Now using Real Technique brush to buff the concealer onto the face and using Pack 272 for the under eyes. It's a perfect brush for under eyes. It fits perfectly under the areas that need to correct. This look is supposed to be dewy but I'm keeping it matte and I'll powder it real soon. Applying NYX Powder Puff Lippy shade Squad Goals as my blush, and you need a lot of it. I love blushy cheeks in winters. You can see how much I'm applying. Don't get scared, just blend, blend and blend. Layering it more with MyGlamm lip and cheek tint for that extra redness on my cheeks. You will definitely love those blush cheeks in winters if you go with such kind of techniques. Now for powder, I'm using this Monte Cosmetics translucent powder and setting my whole face. As I said, I'm keeping it matte, but I need some kind of highlighting on my face. So I'm using this Milani highlighter Afterglow on my regular places of highlighting, but keeping it light hand. Onto the eyebrows now, using Maybelline Fashion Brow Pencil in the shade Dark Grey to fill in sparse areas and giving a nice shape. I'm not going with the heavy brows this time. Always make sure to set your brows. I'm using Pack Transparent Mascara to make my brows here in place. For the eyes, I'm taking this Revelation Pro palette in the shade Restoration and taking this pink shade and just giving a soft wash of color to the eyes. Applying the same highlighter onto the lids for making it wider and wintry. You can see I'm just focusing on my eyes with a simple two-colored theme. That's it. I'm not using multiple layers, multiple colors for the eyes. Making it more glam with the Swiss Beauty Midnight Sparkle palette, and I'm not going it on the lid area. Instead, I'm highlighting my inner corner with the glitters. And oh, I just love this look, how it turned out till now. Applying liner, adding definition to the eyes, so never skip a liner. You know, I love my baby wing liner too, and that is a beautiful kind of thing if you have hooded eyes. Adding few mascara coats for that flared lashes, as I'm not going to apply any kind of lashes to this look. I just want my normal lashes to enhanced. On to the last part of this makeup look, using a nude lip pencil by Milani lining and filling my lips with the same. Applying NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Monte Carlo in the center. That's the finished look, guys. How quick and easy, simple and gorgeous is this look? Let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up if you're new here. Do check out my other videos too, they might be helpful, and I'll see you in the next brand new one. Bye guys.